Third word is adolescent.
ADOLES. Adolescent.
Word is successive.
SUCCESIVE. WSIVE.
Word is chlorophyll. Sorry. The third word is insectivores. Ankylos.
AQUEOUS.
Okay. Good.
UNCIATION.
Alright. Your second word is intestine.
INTESTINE.
Good. Very good. The third word is luxurious.
LUSURIOUS.
Very good. The fourth word is crematory.
CREMATORY.
Good. Very good. Wait. The last word is knowledgeable.
KNOWLEDZELLABLE.
Sorry. Chronology.
CHRONOLOGY.
Very good. So your second word is technical. Technical.
TECHNICAL.
Very good. The third word is morphological.
MORPHONIGICAL.
Very good. Your fourth word is neoterism.
NDOTERISM.
Very good. Your last word is tournament.
DOURNAMENT.
Very good. Circumstance. Circumstance.
CIRCUMSEANCE.
Correct. The second word is melamine. Melamine.
MENAMINE.
Correct. Your third word is empowerment.
EMPOWER. MENT.
Very correct. The fourth word is convocation. Convocation.
CON CATION.
Correct. The last word is misconception. Misconception.
MIS miscon CEPZEPTION.
Very good. Correct. Mischievous.
MISCHIEVOURS.
Okay, sorry.
VICTOMOLOGY.
Correct. Your fourth word is omnivores.
OMNIVORES.
Very good.